it's Christmas time, guys! Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back with Chef Paolo. Today we're gonna make one of my favorite cake. Nutella brownies, guys. It's not just a simple brownies, it's a homemade brownies, and instead of chocolate with Nutella, this amazing chocolate cream. Mamma mia, with nuts. I love it. And this brownies gonna have a special taste and a special touch. So let's do and check all our ingredients. It's super easy, guys. You can make it at home in 30 minutes. 120 grams of butter, 4 eggs, 250 grams of Nutella cream. Then we have 50 grams of sugar and 90 grams of flour. First thing first, guys. We melt our butter for a couple of seconds in the microwave in the way it's gonna be all liquid. Alright guys, after 1.5 minutes high temperature, our butter is perfectly melted. Now guys, it's also time to melt our Nutella chocolate and then we're gonna mix together. 1 minute, high temperature, microwave. Nutella is perfectly melted. Now we add our melted butter and our Nutella in a big bowl in the way we can mix it together. You cannot imagine how amazing this is. Mix until the butter and the Nutella cream are gonna be perfectly melted and mixed together. See? Wow. Look guys, look, it's such a perfect cream. Fantastic. So, now we keep it cooling down a little bit. In the meantime, we work our 4 eggs with the sugar. We take another bowl, break 4 eggs inside. We add now our 50 grams of sugar and we work it really nice. Alright, here we are. Once we obtain a really clear and foam cream, it's time to add our Nutella and butter mix. Mix until we want to reach a really nice, soft and smooth cream. Today I don't need any chili. You know, it's relaxing. You stress out, guys, when you do cakes. Look at this. Now guys, it's time to add our last ingredients, our flour. And here we are. Look, perfect, smooth dough for our amazing, super delicious Nutella brownies. Alright, last thing guys, we prepare our pan. We take some oil paper and we put it inside. We put a spoon of butter all around with our hand. It's time to put our brownies. We take our nuts and we spread a little bit on the top. Now guys, 20 minutes, 170 degrees, lower part of your oven, and the game is done. Mamma mia, the exquisiteness. Oh, it's Christmas time, guys. Look how amazing it is. Mamma mia. Look how perfect it is. Simple and easy. And now, guys, the best moment. Try it. I want to cry. Wow, look. So crunchy on top and so soft inside. Look at this, look. Brownies must be like this. Thick, kind of juicy and super soft. So soft. This is the perfect consistency for the brownies. Make these brownies at home. Simple ingredients, simple step, no need any special skills or any special tools. Just your love and your passion for the food, for your children, together with the family on a Sunday brunch or in any afternoon tea in such a cold winter time. Nutella brownies, the perfect cake. Thank you very much for following me, guys. Of course, next time, next recipe, always here with your special Chef Paolo. See you later. Bye bye!